Okay, Chantel, this is how you stuff a cat in a box that doesn't want to go. You got your carrier, you open it, you turn it up like this, and you get your kitty. Who's going to be really pissy about this? Oh, you'll probably be pretty pissy about this. Come here. Hey. Diana Jane. Oh, you hate going in the box. DJ, come here, honey. All right. You get her by... Oh, shut up, Diana Jane. By the back of the neck, and load him in feet first, and then slam. And you close it, and you turn it, and kitty in a box. All right, well, I'll show you with another one, because I'm not sure I was holding the camera right since she was being such a pain in the ass. All right. Okay, who's next? Dogs are no use. How about you? You're a pretty big girl. Let's try you. Are you going to get really mad at me if I do this? Yes, you probably will. Nice, sweetheart. I know I love you very much, but I'm going to put kitty in a box. All right. Scruff all that loose fur. Lift. Lift like this. Feet drop in. Come on, let go. Let go. See, they can't fight it as much. Oh, come on, boo. In. Go. Bust. Down. Okay. Kitty in a box. Anyway, that's the idea.